how to turn on optimized battery charging on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to save your battery by turning on the optimized battery charging? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your settings and go to battery. So tap on battery health and charging. Here on the very bottom, you'll find optimized battery charging. Just tap on it and toggle it on. So, uh, to reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from your daily charging routine so it can finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. So, when a battery charges up to 80%, you'll get a notification and you can just stop the charging. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.